Right, good afternoon to everybody. We're all together 8. Right, last week we didn't have the class due to something I had. And last Tuesday we did the second term test paper 2016 up to, I think the second part we went up to the third question. And fourth one, fifth, sixth and seventh are left behind, and finishing that, we intend to start the 2017 paper. So let's go back to the paper. All right, okay. Right, we stopped the second term test. Not that, this one. Yes. We are gonna discuss this one, right, number 4. We stopped at that. Diniti, can you remember the place where we stopped? Datsari? Right, let's do question number 4. Write down the 2 advantages of using word processing software. Write down 2 advantages of using word processing software. Right, what are the advantages of using word processing software? Tell me 1 or 2 advantages of using word processing software. Anjana? Earlier we did word processing software using a sheet of paper and a pencil. That method was applied. Give me one. Right, I had a call, right. write down 2 advantages. Tell me one advantage. In word processing software, we can create documents. We can edit documents. We can insert objects, pictures, tables, and we can have the print preview. මුද්‍රණය කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මුද්‍රිත පෙරදසුන බලන්න පුළුවන්. මේ වෙවිලා Word වල තියෙන පහසුකම්. Print preview and printing is also a facility in word processing software. Then spelling and grammar check. ඔයා type කරනේවා spelling grammars තියෙනවා check කරන්න පුළුවන්. Spelling check, grammar check. Right? Find and replace. මොනවාරි වචනයක් වෙනකොට වෙන වචනයක් භාවිත කරන්න පුළුවන් වැරදිලා තිබ්බොත් mail merge මෙන්න මේ වගේ පහසුකම් ගොඩාක් word processing වල තියෙනවා right එයින් ඊවයින් පහසුකම් දෙකක් ඔයාලට ලියන්න තියෙනවා saving තියෙනවා you can save your document right you can have a copy of the document at once එකපාරටම ඔයාලට ඕනෑම මොහොතක copy එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් මේකේ මේ වගේ පහසුකම් රාශියක් word processing වල අපිට තියෙනවා හරි Right, okay. Then number 2, name 2 open source word processing software that can be freely downloaded from internet. Open source word processing software, they're freely available. You don't have to buy them. You can get them from internet or from any other person. Open source software. Right, tell me. Gatsari?
Ubuntu and Hantana Linux.
Hantana Linux. That is correct. Any other? OpenOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer. Then Kword. Office Desktop Editor. Right? ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා frame maker right මේ වගේ වයින් ඔයාලා මේ open office writer libreoffice writer hantana word මේ වගේව භාවිතා කරන්න පුළුවන් right right number 3 use the following document and the list of tools to answer the questions given below English or not right okay now you can see the word processing software here right I will make this smaller right you can see the document here first one what are the tools that have been used to create or format ABCDE? ABCDE. Tools are given here. Here you can see the tool shapes, spelling and grammar, thesaurus, drop cap, word dart, text box, clip art, columns, margins, border. Right. What are the tools that have been used to create or format ABCD? Now look at this one A. What is the tool used to create this A? From here, what is the tool? Nelitma, for A, what is the tool used? Diniti? For this, they have used word dart for the topic. For B, line dekak taramata විශාල වෙන්න අකුරක් අරන් තියෙනවා. That is called the facility is drop cap. ඔය කතන්දර පොත්තේ එහෙම ඔයාලට දකින්න දෙන පොඩි ළමයින්ගේ. පේලි 3-4කට අරන් දෙනවා ලොකු අකුරකින් තමයි පටන් ගන්න මුලින්ම. ළමයි කැමති ඒකට ලොකු අකුරට. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේ අකුර ගන්නවා සතෙක්ගේ හැඩයට පේලි ගන්නට. That is called that facility available in Word is called drop cap. Right? Drop cap. Then B, C. See, look at this line just about the text given. See, border, border. It word වල තියෙන පහසුකමක් borders. D මේ star mark එක, what is it? Anjana, star mark. What is the tool used to do that? Shapes, yes, that's correct. Shapes, shapes. Then E, what is the tool?
Clip art.
Yes, clip art, clip art, clip art. Yes, that's correct, clip art. Then, yes, A, B, C, D, E for E, right? That's correct. Let's move to B. When the word which is indicated by letter F is underlined in red, mention what is the error and the tool which can be used to correct the error. Right? F. This word is underlined in red. So what is the error indicated in the case of that? If that is underlined in red, the error is?
Spelling mistake.
Yeah, spelling mistake. Spelling error එකක් තියෙන්නේ. ව්‍යාකරණ දෝෂයක් නම්?
Blue.
Blue, yes. Now blue, earlier it was green, but now you get the blue, right? Grammar mistake. Let's look at that by this way now. For example, I will type a word here. Form, I will increase subscreen before I will type lorry. Now it is underlined in red because it's a spelling mistake. So for that you have to right click on this and select the correct word. Lorry. Right? If you move to now spelling mistake, right? There are a teacher in our school. Right. Again, underline. Why? It is a grammar mistake. It is a grammar mistake. So it's underlined in blue. So you right click on this and move to grammar. Move to grammar. Then it is indicated here. For R, I have to replace that with what do you call is, right? Then I click change. Then it is there is a teacher in our school. There is a teacher in our school. That is how we have to use the facility grammar, spelling and grammar in word processing software, right? When the word which is indicated by letter F underlined in red, right? That is what we did now. Right, then let's move to number 5. Name A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D, E, and F in the following network diagram. Now you can see this network diagram. You have to name A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? Let's try to do it. Right, first one, A. What do you mean by A?
Internet.
Yes, internet. A means internet. Or you can say internet service provider. අපිට අන්තර්ජාල පහසුකම් ලබා දෙන කෙනා, internet, right? Internet. Then B.
Modem.
Yes, B can be a modem. Earlier we used a modem. that is the modem. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකෙන් අපිට එන්නේ මේ මොනවද ඇනලොග්. හරි. ඒක ඩිජිටල් කරන්න තමයි භාවිතා කරන්නේ මොඩෙම් එක. හරි. ඒකට ආයතනයක් ගන්න මේක ඩිජිටල් data. Then C
firewall
router, then router firewall ඔක්කොම එකම unit එකක් විදිහට එනවා. So that is firewall. ඒකේ ගින්දර ඇවිලනවත් පෙන්වන නිසා අපි කියනවා firewall. C is the firewall. Then D server. Yes, server. සේවා සපයන machine එක, server එක. E
switch or hub,
yes, switch or hub. Now we use the switch. Earlier we used the hub. Here it's the switch. Then F
Wi-Fi,
Wi-Fi adapter. මේ තියෙන Wi-Fi adapter එකක්. ඒකෙන් අපි wireless connections ගන්නවා අපේ ගෙදර තියෙන උපකරණ වලට. Wi-Fi adapter එකක් හරහා. Right? So that is the network here. එතන මේ වගේ එකක් දුන්නොත් රූපයක් you must be able to name the parts given in the diagram. Right? එතන මේ රූපෙ මෙන්න මේ වෙනස් විදිහක රූපයක් දෙනවා මේවා ටිකම නම් කරන්න. So in that case you must be able to do it correctly. What is the type of computer network? Then second one, what is the type of the computer network about? What is it? Now there are three types. What are the three types? LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN means local area, metropolitan area, and wide area network. What is this network? Dilchan? That is WAN, wide area network, because it is connected to internet. අන්තර්ජාලයට සම්බන්ධ වුණාට පස්සේ ඒක wide area network එකක් බවට පත් වෙනවා. Right? එතකොට අපිත් අන්තර්ජාලයේ කොටසක් බවට පත් වෙනවා. Part of internet. We become part of internet. So in that case, that network is called WAN, wide area network. Right? Name the network topology which is connected by E. What is the network topology when you use a hub or a switch in the case of networking? What is that network topology called? Tell me. Nadun. Switch එකක් මැද්දෙන් තියලා වටේට computers link කරුවොත් what is that network called?
star topology,
Yes, star topology. Star topology. In the center you have the switch like this. This is the switch. These are the ports of the switch. So you get one computer, link that to this port, another computer link to this, another one, this, another computer to this, another computer to this, and like this. This topology is called star topology. Star topology. In the center you have the switch. In the center, not specifically in the center. It could be in a corner or somewhere. But all the computers should be connected to the switch. Then it is a star topology. This is star topology. Name two unguided media that is relevant to the above F. FAK. භාවිතා කරන්න පුළුවන් unguided media. Yan ban unguided media. දැන් මෙතන භාවිතා වෙන unguided media එක මොකද්ද? What is the media used here?
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi නේ මෙතන භාවිතා වෙන්නේ. Wi-Fi. Now predominantly we use Wi-Fi. නමුත් දැන් අලුතෙන් එනවා Wi-Fi අලුතෙන් නෙමෙයි Li-Fi එනවා. Light fidelity. light fidelity මේ වගේ 100 ගුණයකටත් වඩා speed light fidelity ගත්තාම right එතකොට තව කාලයක් ගියම අපේ ගෙවල් වල wifi පරණ දෙයක් බවට පත් වෙනවා Li-Fi will come into being and we will be using Li-Fi right then WiMAX මේ වගේ WiMAX එනවා right WiMAX Li-Fi Wi-Fi මේ අවස්ථාවට ගැලපෙනවා දැන් ඔයාලට remote එකක් වගේ පෙන්වනවා නම් එතන wireless media එක infrared වෙන්න පුළුවන් radio waves වෙන්න පුළුවන් bluetooth වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒවත් wireless media හරි නමුත් ඒක භාවිතා කරන ස්ථානයට අනුව තමයි that differs according to the place we use it in here you can say Li-Fi Wi-Fi and WiMAX right okay let's move to the next one there are different types of data transmission modes write the mode of transmission relevant to each of the following situation there are different types of data transmission modes. There are 3 data transmission modes. What are the 3 data transmission modes? One can tell me the 3 different data transmission modes. What are
Full duplex, simplex.
Yes, simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Simplex, half duplex, and full duplex are the 3 modes of data transmission used in technology. Right here, radio wave transmission. Radio wave transmission coming under what data transmission mode?
Simplex mode.
What is it? Simplex. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Simplex. එක පැත්තකට තමයි දත්ත සම්ප්‍රේෂණය සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. හරි? So that is called simplex one way transmission, right? One way transmission. Then next one, mobile phone data transmission. What is that coming under? Yes, full duplex. Both many people can talk together, right? Interrupting the others. In that case, that is called full duplex. එක්කෙනෙක් කතා කරද්දී එයාට බාධා කරගෙන කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් එක්කෙනාට. So that is called full duplex. Then we move to data transmission through walkie-talkie. Half duplex. Right? One at a time. එක්කෙනෙක්ට එකපාරට පුළුවන් එයා කතා කරලා ඉවරුනාට පස්සේ තමයි අනිත් පාර්ශ්වයට නැවත කතා කිරීමේ හැකියාව තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් you must remember that there are 3 types of data transmission modes. And when we talk about them, you have to identify right the data transmission mode with the given situation. Right, then let's move to number 6. Right, consider the following paragraph regarding a computer system. Fill in the blanks A to F using suitable words given in the brackets. Right, try to do it. I will give you 5 minutes.
So මේක අන්තිමට පේන්නේ නැහැ.
අන්තිමට පේන්නේ utility software, word processing software, hardware, operating system, language translator, application software. Don't try to fill the blanks from beginning to end. Then and there, you can fill in the ones that are possible for you. A computer consists of
hardware,
yes, hardware, firmware,
application software,
software. A computer consists of hardware, firmware, software, and user. Liveware. User means liveware. When we talk about computers, it consists of hardware, software, firmware, liveware. Right? Software system software and application software. Anyway, you must know that hardware, system software, application software, firmware, and liveware. A computer consists of hardware, firmware, software, and a user. Liveware. User means liveware. Jivang. Right? Full stop. Then C. C provides interface. Interface provide who provides you with the interface? What is system? Operating system interface hardware management hardware management is controlled by the OS, and the user interface is provided by the OS as well. So in that case, you have to say operating system provides interface for the user. Full stop. Then
Utility software.
Utility software helps. Utility software means upayogita mridukanga. Helps manage the resources of the computer. Pariganake tiyena sampattika hොඳ සුමට ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වයට උදව් කරන්නේ utility software. Utility software කියන එක ඔයාලා දන්න උපයෝගිතා මෘදුකාංග. උදාහරණයක් විදිහට ඔයාගේ ගෙදර ඔයා කොස්සක් භාවිතා කරනවා නම් ඒක utility එකක්. ගෙදර සුද්ධ පවිත්‍ර කරලා තියාගෙන නැත්නම් ගෙදර මිනිස්සු ඉන්න බැරි තත්ත්වයක් උච්චත වෙනවා. නේද? ඒතර ඔයා ඩස්ටර් එකක් භාවිතා කරනවා ගෙදරදී පිහින්න. දැන් අපි ඩස්ටර් භාවිතා කරනවා වෙනවා වැකියුම් ක්ලීනර් එකක් ගන්නවා කඩෙන් අලුතෙන්. So ඒවා utility software ගෙදර භාවිතා වෙන. මේවයින් තමයි ගෙදර පිරිසිදුව ලස්සනට සුමට ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වයට. If you think of your bicycle, you have to oil your bicycle. You have to clean your bicycle. You have to wash your bicycle. ඒතර ඒව තමයි උපයෝගිතා මෘදුකාංග. ඒ විදිහට අපි පරිගණකයේ සුමට ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වයට දායක කරගන්න භාවිතා කරන මෘදුකාංග අපි කියනවා utility programs කියලා. Right? So then you have to say utility software helps to manage the resources of the computer. Right? Then E. E. Application software helps the user to utilize a significant task. Right? Application software helps the user to utilize a significant task. Again, tamange dainika katetu day-to-day tasks accomplish කරගන්න භාවිතා කරන්නේ application software. Right? ඔයා කොහොම Tamanට ඕනේ වැඩ කරන්නේ ආයතනයකට ගිහිල්ලා වැඩ කරනවා නම් ඔයා application software භාවිතා කරන්නේ. Then last one can be shown as an example. Application software example එක විදිහට පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන් මෙතනින්. What is it?
Word processing
Yes.
software.
Word processing software can be shown as an example. ඒතර මේව පොඩ්ඩක් කල්පනා කරලා කරන්න වෙන දේවල්. Right, next one. Write down 2 methods that can be used to take output as soft copies. Soft copies විදිහට output එක ගන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රම දෙකක්. What are the methods? Output එක දැන් ඔයාට you can take the output as a hard copy using a printer. Printer එක භාවිත කරලා hard copy එක ගන්නවා. In the same way, what are the methods as to how you can get your, what do you call this, soft copy? Right, tell me. Gatsari. Monitor, computer monitor එකේ දැන් මේ ඔයාට මම මගේ එන මේ screen එක soft copy එකක් එන්නේ මගේ paper එක දැන් ඔයාට අතට අල්ලලා පෑනක් අරගෙන ලියන්න පුළුවන් copy එකක් නෙමෙයි එන්නේ. So this is called the soft copy. මේ පැත්තෙන් ඔයාට එන්නේ soft copy එක. ඒ soft copy එක පෙන්නන device එක තමයි මේ අහන්නේ. ඉස්කෝලේදී ලොකු බිත්තියකට ගහලා පෙන්නනවා. ඒ මොකද්ද? What is that device used to do that?
Projector.
Yes, projector, multimedia projector. Multimedia projector and screen. You can say screen. Screen means the screen of your mobile phone, the screen of your tab, screen of the computer, whatever it is. ඔක්කොටම ගැලපෙනවා screen කියලා දැම්මා. Screen and the multimedia projector. Soft copy අපිට ලැබෙනවා. So you have to think before you jump into answers. Right, third one. Given below is a diagram of flowing data and the instructions, right? This is the computer architecture, right? Diagram. Secondary memory output devices are given. Then you are given A, B, and C as letters. So it says that you need to name A and B of the above diagram. A and B. You have to name A and B. Right, what do you think?
Input devices and main memory.
Yes, A means input device. A means input device, input. B means?
Primary memory.
Yes, primary memory. That is RAM. That is RAM. Random access memory. That's correct. ඒ වගේ උත්තර දෙන්න ඕනේ හැමෝම. Everybody has to talk with me. Don't keep mum. Right. Number B. Mention the function of A in computer system. Function of A.
Data and instructions are fed to the computer system.
Yes. Data and instructions are fed into the computer by A. පරිගණකයට දත්ත සහ උපදේශ. පරිගණකයට ආදාන විදිහට අපේ there are only two types of input. What are they? Data and instructions. We have to give data and at the same time we have to give instructions. Then only the computer is able to process data according to the instructions given. So in that case, we need to know that there are two types of input. They are data and instructions. So this is what input does, right? It inputs data and instructions to the computer. That is what it does. Input එකෙන් කරන්නේ ඔය ටික. Right, then let's move to the next one. What is it? B. Now mention the function of array. Name C and its components in the above diagram. C. What do you mean by C?
Central processing unit.
Yes, CPU, central processing unit. So what are the parts of this one? Met me.
Registers, ALU, CU.
Yes, register memory, arithmetic logic unit, and the control unit. There are three components in the processor. So you have to know the components and the functions of them. So you can easily answer these things if you have read the book, right? Let's move to number 7, last one. Some statements about the daily routine of a principal are as follows, right? Record the daily attendance using a fingerprint reader, right? One thing. Daily attendance using a fingerprint reader. The other one, using automated bell which is controlled by a computer. අර ඉස්කෝලේ තියෙන්නේ මේ automated bell එක තියෙන්නේ. bell එක නිකම්ම වදින්න. right? ඒක භාවිතා කරනවා. Reading and replying to email messages by using internet. Right, using internet, maybe email and messages reply on. Reading newspaper by using internet during the interval. Viveka කාලයේදී reading the newspaper using internet. Monitoring the teacher learning process by using CCTV. CCTV හරහා හැම පන්ති කාමරයක්ම කාර්යාලේ ඉඳලා නිරීක්ෂණය කරනවා. මේවනේ අද කාලීන මේ අදට ගැලපෙන දේවල් මේ කාර්යාලය ඇතුළේ සිද්ධ වෙනවා. So the question number 1A, according to the given statements, write down 4 situations that the principal uses to fulfill his routine. According to the given statements, write down 4 situations that the principal uses to fulfill his routine. Routine කියන්නේ දිනචර්යාවනේ. මේක සම්පූර්ණ කරගන්න එයා භාවිතා කරන දේවල් අහන්නේ මෙතනදී. මොනවද අවස්ථා? පළවෙනි එකේ record the daily attendance using a fingerprint reader. Fingerprint reader එක එයා භාවිතා කරනවා. හරි? එක situation එකක් using the fingerprint reader. That is one situation. Another situation, using automated bell. Using the automated bell system. Another situation එක අර ස්වයංක්‍රීයව නාද වෙන සීනුව භාවිතා කිරීම. හරි පහසුයි කාර්යාල කටයුතු කරගන්න. That is another situation. මේ තියෙන ටික මත මහලා තියෙන මේකත් සමහර ළමයි ලියන්නේ. Right, another one. Reading and replying to email messages using internet. Right? Use of internet. Antarjale bhavite. Use of internet to answer email messages. That is the other situation. Any other?
Using CCTV.
Yes, using the CCTV. CCTV camera bhavita කිරීම. මේ ඔක්කොම ලියන්න ඕනේ using CCTV. You can say recall the fingerprint reader, using fingerprint reader, using automated bell system, then internet, using email, using CCTV camera. මේවා තමයි යාගේ situations ටික. Right, B. What is the method used by the principal to maintain the security of the school? To maintain the security of the school. What is the method applied in the case of the above situations? Dilshan. Kavindu. Nulara.
Using CCTV.
Yes, using CCTV. CCTV වලින් තමයි security එක establish කරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. Not only in schools but everywhere in the world now they use CCTV in order to establish their security. Right, moving to the next one. Number 2. Citizens, other governments, companies and government servants can connect with the government in an efficient manner because of the e-government service. Write down 2 facilities of the e-government. E-government taking the facilities දෙකක් ලියන්න. Right, tell me a few facilities. Can you remember? I think you can't remember. I got the Sinhala book. Right here you can see the facilities given by this e-government to the citizens and many more people. Right? One other circulars. circulars, bill payment, Sri Lankan map, issuing driving license. Right? කාටද කියලා හැවුවා නම් ඒවා වෙනම භාවිතා for citizens, for other governments, for businesses, for employees, right? වෙනම හැවුවා නම් වෙනම උත්තර දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Forms, gazette, circulars, information on loan facilities, that is to employees. For business, payment of services, banking information, business registration, business and investment information, business organizations. G to G, රජයෙන් තවත් රජයකට දෙනවා. Diplomatic and visa information, government law, aid for tourists, Sri Lankan custom information and blah blah blah. ඔය වගේ ඕන තරම් ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Right. Next one. What are the benefits of the telemedicine? Mention two of them. Telemedicine වලින් තියෙන වාසි මොනවද කියලා. Right. Tell me. Telemedicine වල තියෙන වාසි.
Remote clinic treatments.
Remote clinical care. Yes, that's one. Remote clinical care. Any other?
Training.
Yes, teletraining. That is coming under education. Any other?
Telesurgery.
Telesurgery. Telesurgery. Right? You can remote surgery කරන්න පුළුවන්. Telemedicine consultation, telesurgery, remote surgery, medical teletraining, medical teletraining, telesurgery, telemedicine consultation, home health medicine, emergency telemedicine, මේ වගේ අවස්ථා කීපයක් අපිට ලැබෙනවා. Right? Then next one. Write down 4 undesirable effects when using ICT in an undue manner. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ නොගැලපෙන ආකාරයට ICT භාවිතා කරපුවාම අහිතකර දේවල් ටිකක් සටහන් කරන්න. What are they?
Addiction.
Yes, addiction. මේවට හුරු වෙනවා වෙන වැඩක් කරන්නේ නැහැ. Addiction. Then
Security breakouts.
Security
Breakouts.
Security breakouts. Yes, security. Attacking the security system. Data thefts. හොරකම් සිද්ධ වෙනවා. Then
Mental disorders.
what?
Mental disorders.
Yes, mental diseases. That's correct.
Isolation.
මානසික රෝග. Isolation. Yes. Plagiarism. Unauthorized access. මේ වගේ දේවල් තමයි මේ computer virus. මේ වගේ දේවල් තමයි මේ පරිගණක වලට මේ නිවැරදි භාවිතයකින් තොරව හානියක් සිද්ධ කරන දේවල්. Right. Okay. That's all. Let's move to the next one. Yes, 2017. Second term test 2017. Information and communication technology. Right. Let's move to that one. There you have to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Band ඔය පහට උත්තර ගන්න. For the first 5. For the first 5. Right, okay. Right, okay. Let's do it. Number one. What is the answer? Elitma?
A, B, and D.
Some characteristics of information are given below. Relevancy, completeness, large in quantity, cost effectiveness. Which one of is the correct combination of characteristics of quality information? Only A, B, and D. Relevancy is there, completeness is there, cost effectiveness is there, large in quantity is not there, right? So that is correct. Only A, B, and D. Right, let's move to number 2. Detailed information from a QR code can be obtained from. What is the correct statement to fill the blank? What's the Anjana? Nadun?
The website of the relevant item.
Yes, the website of the relevant item. Only from the website you can get more details about the item. That is called QR, quick response code. Scan web. So you can get information from the website of the relevant equipment. Right. Then number 3, a machine can create digitalized images of internal organs of the body by using strong magnetic fields and radio wave. Is called number 3. Nulara.
MRI.
Yes, magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging machine. MRI machine එකෙන් තමයි අපේ ශරීර අභ්‍යන්තරයේ තියෙන පොඩි දේවල් වල රූප රාමු ගන්න. අරගෙන ඒවා ඉදිරිපත් කිරීම තුලින් තමයි රෝග විනිශ්චය සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ, diagnosis of diseases, right? It's called MRI. Right, next, number 4. Radio frequency identification devices are used in RF devices භාවිතා වෙන්නේ RFID. In what? Number 4. Kavindu. Machine milking of cows, cattle management, fishing industry, medical teletraining.
Cattle management.
Yes, cattle management. Cattle management. අපේ ගවයෝ භාවිතා කරන ගවයෝ ෆාම් එකෙන් ඈත ප්‍රදේශ වලට යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ ෆාම් හවුස් එකේ තියෙන ස්ක්‍රීන් එක ඔක්කොම ගවයන් ඉන්න ස්ථාන ඒ මොහොතේ සටහන් වෙනවා. බැරි වෙලාවත් ගවයෙක් මේ රේන්ජ් එකෙන් එළියට ගියොත් out of the range, then that is indicated using an alarm system. Alarm system එකකින් දැනුම් දෙනවා. හරි? automatically. ඊට පස්සේ ඒ ගව මඩුවේම ඉන්න බල්ලෙක් රිලීස් කරන්න පුළුවන් automatically. Dog is released. මේ dog release කරනකොටම බල්ලා දන්නවා මේ වැඩේට තමයි මාව රිලීස් වුනේ. ඒතර බල්ලා මොකද කරන්නේ? මේ ගවයා නැවතත් අර ඉන්න ඒරියා එකට ගේනවා. ඒ වගේ අලුත් systems තියෙනවා. මේ automatically මේ ඔක්කොම වෙනවා. Right? So that is used in cattle management. Cattle management. Right, number 5. The answer which contains only the special features of computer is, what is it? Gatsari. Second one, accuracy, efficiency and versatility. Speed, intelligence is not there. First one is wrong. Storage and retrieving capability, effective intelligence is there. Effective versatility and tiredness. Tiredness is second one is the correct one. Accuracy, efficiency and the versatility. That's correct. Right. Let's move to number 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Hurry up. Right, okay. Number 6. Number 6. Data and instructions input to the computer where input devices are initially stored in Diniti. Met me.
First answer.
Data and instructions input to the computer where input devices are initially stored in. Third answer, main memory. Yes. Third answer, main memory. May api input කරන ඔක්කොම යන්නේ main memory එකට. First it goes to the main memory, then that is sent to the processor for calculations, for doing some processors. Then after that has been processed, sent to the main memory again. Then raw data and processed data both exist in main memory. First it goes to the main memory, then sent to the processor, then back to memory after being processed by the processor. So that is what happens in the computer. So what we input to the computer first goes to the main memory, right? Right, okay. Then let's move to number 7. Magnetic media devices, optical media devices, and solid state devices, which are used to store data in secondary memory, are given respectively. එතකොට secondary memory ගැන අපි කතා කරන්න ගියාම මේකේ ආකාර තුනක් තියෙනවා, magnetic media, optical media, and solid state. Right? එතකොට devices which are used to store data in secondary memory are given respectively. මේ order එකට what is the answer? What is the answer, Anjana? Vatsara. Kavindu Dinet. First you have to say magnetic media. Right, anyone can answer.
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Magnetic media, hard disk. Yes, that's correct. Then you get magnetic media, optical media, Blu-ray disk. Yes, that's optical media. Then solid state USB flash drive. That's correct. The fourth one is the correct answer. Fourth one is the correct answer. Let's move to number 8. Consider the following statements. Supercomputers are used for scientific and engineering functions. Right or wrong?
Right.
Right, that's correct. That's correct. Mainframe computers are smaller in size and less expensive, but powerful and faster than supercomputers. What do you say? Right or wrong?
Wrong.
That is wrong. That is wrong. Mainframe computers are not faster and powerful than supercomputers. Right? So that is wrong. Mini computers are small computers with less capacity used for personal usage. Right or wrong?
Right.
Wrong.
Wrong. Mini computers means that supports many displays. Displays ගොඩාක් support කරනවා mini computers. මම වලට රූප වෙන්නු. එතකොට මිනිස්සු එක්කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි. බහුපරිශීලක මෙහෙයුම් පද්ධතියයි තියෙන්නේ. Many people can be attached to the same computer. Mini කියන්නේ main frame එකට වඩා ගොඩාක් අඩුයි. Main frame එක ගත්තාම screen 100 200 300 1000 වගේ සම්බන්ධ කරන්න පුළුවන්. Mini computer means ඒවයි ප්‍රමාණය අනුව screens ප්‍රමාණයක් support කරන personal නෙමෙයි. Many people can work at mini computers at the same time. So they are not personal computers. So which of the above statements are true? එහෙනම් මෙතනින් true වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? What is the answer? First one. Only A. Only A. Right, number 9. Which of the following can be considered as both input and output devices? Both input and output.
Fourth one.
Yes, fourth one. Touch screen. Touch screen. Both input and output at the same time. Now, for example, your mobile phone has got a touch screen. So that is both input and output. Then digital camera ගත්තොත් both input and output. අපිට ඒකෙන්ම බලන්නත් පුළුවන්. නමුත් ඊට වඩා අද කරලියට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන ඉස්සරහට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන device එක තමයි මේ touch screen එක. So you have to underline touch screen. Fourth one. Digital camera එකට යන්න එපා. තර්ක කරන්න යන්නත් එපා. Touch screen එක අද ගොඩාක් ඉස්සරහට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. Right. Let's move to number 10, 11, 12. I'll make it a bit smaller. Can you see? Can everyone see?
Yes, sir.
ඔයාලට ඕන නම් ඔය පැත්තෙන් ලොකු කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාගේ device එකෙන් multi touch භාවිතා කරලා. Right, try to answer number 10, 11, 12, 13. Right, finish. Anjana, finish. Anjana, I can't hear you. ඔයාගේ මොකක් හරි දෙනවා device එකේ ගැටලුවක්. I can't hear you.
No, sir.
Ah, right. Okay. Dilchan?
No, sir.
Okay. I will give you 2 or 3 minutes. Right, Mudinji? Nilitma, finish?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, let's move to number 10. What is the respective order of devices in the column B, which is suitable to connect to the ports in column A? HDMI port, high definition multimedia interface. What is the device? HDMI
Multimedia.
multimedia projector. Parallel port.
Printer.
Printer, yes. Parallel port, printer. No other device. Serial port,
Modem.
Modem.
modem. Serial port, modem. Now serial port is not available in machines. Modem is also not in the market now. We cannot use any modem now. Instead, we use router. Then video port.
Multimedia projector.
Video port goes to multimedia projector. VGA to multimedia projector. HDMI to
Digital audio device.
yes, digital audio device. HDMI ke HDMI can carry both visuals and sound. HDMI ke dene special feature එක තමයි it can carry sound too. ආය අපි sound port එකක් sound cable එකක් ගහන්න ඕනේ නැහැ device එකට. HDMI එකකින් තවත් device එකකට දුන්නාට පස්සේ sound out එක ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒකෙන්. Then for example, if you connect multimedia projector using HDMI, then from the projector you can give out sound. Projector එකට ගහන්න පුළුවන් speaker set එකක්. Right? VGA cable එකකින් DVI cable එකකින් ඒ දේවල් කරන්න බෑ. But using HDMI you can do that. You can do that. ඒක හරි වාසියක් වෙනවා අපිට ඔය මේ sound එහෙම set කරන්න ගියාම මේ multimedia projectors හරහා HDMI තියෙනවා නම් you can easily do that. Right, next one. Right, then the answer. What is the answer? Number 2.
Fourth one.
Fourth one. HDMI
Second one.
B.
Second answer.
Parallel port. Yes, printer. Second one. Second one. Right, let's move to number 11. Which of the following statement is true regarding the metropolitan area network? Metropolitan area network, right? What is the answer? Met me. That's it.
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Yes. Network which is spread in a large area than a local area network, but smaller than a wide area network. Metropolitan area means one in between both those two. Land is smaller, wide is very huge. Metropolitan area means Puravara Pradesh Jale, that is in between in size. Right? So the fourth one is the correct one. Fourth one is the correct one. Right, let's move to number 12. Did you do number 12? Yes. Which one is necessary for developing a star topology of computer network? Switch, router, modem, repeater.
Switch.
Switch.
Switch, yes, switch. Only using a switch you can, which one is necessary for developing a star topology of network, right? Then you have to, you need switch. Switch එකක් නැතුව මේ දේ කරන්න බෑ. Impossible. Right, number 13. What is the correct order of letters when matched the devices, when the devices are matched in column A? the relevant functions in the column B given below. Router
D.
D, used to connect several computers together. No, that is wrong.
C.
C, used to connect networks together. Yes, that's correct. We use a switch to connect several computers together. We use a router to connect several networks together. That you have to understand. The difference between a router and a switch. Switch is to connect network computers together. Router is to connect networks together. Understand? That you have to understand. Right, router to C. Wi-Fi adapter
A.
operated by radio waves. Yes, operated by radio waves. So firewall,
B.
network security system. Yes, that's correct. B. Then switch.
D.
D, used to connect several computers together. Yes, that's correct. So what is the answer?
Second one.
Second one. Second one. Right? එතකොට ප්‍රශ්න එතන ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. ඒවා කල්පනා කරන්න ඕනේ. Right. Let's move to number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. ටිකක් ඔළුවට වද දෙන ප්‍රශ්න ටිකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. Right, try to do up to 19. I will give you 10 minutes. Right, finish. Natsari, finish.
No, sir.
Right, okay. With me?
Finish.
Okay. Okay. Right, okay, let's do it. Question number කීයදලද පටන් ගත්තේ 14 වල ඉඳලාද? Right, 14. The base of number, this is the number 11010. Base is x. Base is x. What is the above value of x? 2. Right. X can be equal to, or it can be equal to 8 or 16. Either one of these three, it can be equal to, because 0 and 1 are available in all the number systems. In that case, for x, you can write whatever number system that you have as answers, right? Any one of the above. So what is the answer? Dilshan? Gatsari?
Fourth one.
Third one?
Fourth one.
Fourth one, yes. Any one of the above, right? එතකොට අපි මොනම සංඛ්‍යාවක් 1101 111 101 මොන එක ලියවත් මේක it could either be in the base, the base could be 2 8 16 or 10 whatsoever it is. අයි මේකේ තියෙන්නේ බිඳුවයි එකයි consist වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒකට ඕනේ number system එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒක. So in that case you have to say any one of the above. Any one of the above. Right, let's move to number 15, right? 3D2 in base 16. So you have to convert that into binary. So what is the binary equivalent of this number given? Nadun? Nulara,
Third one.
third one. Let's look at that. D means 30. 3 means 3, right? Here you get 0, 0, 1, 0. Here you get 1, 1, 0, 1. Here you get 0, 0, 1, 1. So you write 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Which one?
The second one.
Yes, second one is the answer. Second one is the answer. So you can easily get that. Maybe this is how you have to get it. Comparisons. Right? That's how you can get it. You can easily get the answer. Then you need not have bigger botheration. You can easily get the answer by that way. So learn it. Let's move to next one, number 16. Number 16. Select the Boolean logic expression relevant to the output of the truth table given. Right? Boolean expression. A, B are the input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Output is given there as C. Output is C. Now you get output here. Let's take red. Output here is 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? Open the output. There is the output. Right. Make an output. Output. You have to do these functions. A, O, B. Then we have to do A and B. Then we do A, O, B, full bar. Then you have to take A and B, full bar. Right? May functions we have to do it. Right? Let's do it. AOB 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Then A and B 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 0 0 1 and 1 1. Then AOB full bar. AOB full bar. Make any path inversion. Make inversion. Inversion of this one. 1 0 0 0. Then A and B full bar. Then inversion of this one. Then that will be 1 1 1 0. So what is equal to this one? Now in red you have this. So this is the one that is equal to the one given. So in that case you have to underline the second answer. Second answer. Right? Can you understand? Right, okay. Second answer. Is it clear to everyone? Right, okay. Kenek දෙන්නෙක් කරලා තියෙනවා සමහර අය වරද්දලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඒ කට්ටිය මේක මේ අවබෝධ කරගන්න වෙනවා. අවබෝධ කරගන්න වෙනවා. මම චුට්ටක් හිතලා කරන්න ඕනේ දේවල්. Right, let's move to the next one. Right. Which of the following Boolean logic expression is false? මෙතනින් false මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා. හරි. එහෙනම් ඔයාලට මෙතනදිත් වැඩ ගොඩක් කරන්න වෙනවා මේකේ false මොකක්ද වැරදි එක කියලා හොයාගන්න. හරි. AOBOC is equal to AOBOC. එහෙනම් ඔයාලට ගන්න වෙනවා මෙතනදී ඔක්කොම ABC නේ තියෙන්නේ. Sorry. A B C තුනක් ගන්න වෙනවා. ABC. මම චුට්ටක් කියලා දෙන්නම් මේක ගන්න විදිය. මේක ඉතින් ගන්න බෑ. මේක මම ඇදම වෙනවා. mouse එකෙන් ගහනින් දමාරු. right කියන බලන්න 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 ඔය ටික දෙන්නේ එහෙනම් ඔයා මේ පළවෙනි එක සත්‍යාපනය කරනවා සත්‍යාපනය කරනවා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද ඒක අපි ගන්නවා let us take the expressions two expressions AO BO C AO BOC මේක ගන්නවා ඊට පස්සේ ඒකත් එක්ක ගන්නවා AOBOC AOBOC ඔය දෙක අරන් බලමු right this one BOC 0 0 0 A0 ආයෙත් ඒක වුණාම 0 0 0 එන්නේ then BOC 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 ඔය විදිහට එන්නේ පළවෙනි එක last one AOBOC AOB 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 ඒ දෙක සමානයි එනයි පළවෙනි දෙක සමාන අපිට ඒක ගැටලුවක් නැහැ which of the following boolean expressions is false කියලා අහන්නේ සමාන නොවන එක අහන්නේ අපි යනවා ඊළඟ එකට second one ගන්නවා A and B and C with that A and B and C these two let's take it and again 0 and 0 and no 0 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 and 1 1 1 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 and 1 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 1 1 1 and 1 1 only a 1 then pelata thiyenne A and B and C A 0 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 and 1 0 0 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 1 1 1 and 0 0 1 and 1 1 1 and 1 1 ඒ දෙකත් හරි ඒ දෙකත් ගැලපෙනවා right let's take the third one what is the third one AOB full bar right? Then is equal to A O, A bar O, B bar, right? A bar O, B bar. ඒකට යනකොට අපිට ගන්න ඕනේ A bar B bar ගන්න වෙනවා. right? එහෙනම් අපි මේකෙම හදනවාද A bar B bar වෙනම ගන්නවද? මෙතෙන්ට ගමු නේද? මෙහෙට ගමු. වෙන පාටකින් ගන්න I will take red. This is A bar, this is B bar, right? A bar කියන්නේ A වල අනිත් පැත්තනේ. So that is 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is A bar. Then inversion of B. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. That is B bar, right? Then A O B full bar. AOB අපි දන්නවනේ. AOB 0 0 0. ඒකේ අනිත් පැත්ත not 0 1. 0 0 0 not 0 1. Here 0 1 1 0 0. 0 1 1 not 1 0. 1 and 0 1 not 1 0. 1 and 0 1 not 1 0. 1 and 1 1 not 1 0. 1 and 1 1 not 1 0. 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. ඉතින් මෙතෙන්ට ගත්තාම මේ දෙකේ A bar B bar හොයාගෙන තියෙනවානේ. Then we have to do ORing under these two. 101 1 101 1 100 1 1 1 1 0 0. බලන්න මේ දෙකේ output එක different. මේකේ output එක ලැබිලා තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද මේ 1 1 0 0 0 0 මේකේ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. මේකේ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ 1 1 1 0 0 ඒ අනිත් පැත්ත අගට එකේ දෙකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් අපිට underline කරන්න වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? third one. fourth one එක check කරලා බලන්න ගෙදරදී. You can check it. fourth one you can check the fourth one too. ඒක මම චුට්ටි වෙලාවක් ගියත් කෙරුවේ මොකද මේ you have to understand it well. බාණ්ඩ එක නිවැරදි උත්තරේ ගහලා තිබ්බ ඇත උස්සන්න hands up those who have got the correct answer. Yes, some have done it. Some have done it. Yes, only 3. Others have to follow this method. I will put the link to your group so that you can follow it again and again, so that you can understand it well and do the work at the exam properly. මේ විදිහට හදලා ගන්න වෙනවා කටුකොල එක. Not like this. You can do it faster, right? Anyway, you have to do this. ඕනම කෙනෙක්ට මේක කරන්න වෙනවා විභාගෙදී. මනෝමයෙන් ගන්න බෑ මේවා. ඒක තමයි IT කියන්නේ. Right, next one. Number 18. Number 18. Let's do it. Right, number 18. What is the answer? Nelitma? Nadun?
Second answer.
Second answer කියලා කියනවා. Let's check it. Let's do it. කෙනෙක් නම් අමාරුවෙන් කියන්න හදනවා නේද? This is NAND. This is what? This is what you get. Here you get C. Here you get AB. Right, let's do it. Here you get A bar. Here B. Then out here you get A bar and B. A bar and B. Right. Then here you get B bar. Here A. Then here you get A and A O B bar. That is within brackets. O එකක් ආව නම් and වලට කලින් that definitely should be put within brackets, right? In that case, you put brackets within that. Then finally you get A bar and B, this one, and within brackets A O B bar, full bar because of this dot, this dot because of this. That is how you get the expression. Is in the second one, A bar and B and A O B bar, full bar. Yes, that's correct. Second one is correct. Second one is correct. Method, you have to follow the same method in order to get the answer. Right, let's move to two more. Right. There are 3 switches A, B, and C to light a bulb. Switch A should be switched with switch B or C to light the bulb. What is the suitable Boolean expression to light the bulb? Right, Dilshan.
Third one.
Third one. One more. A, B, C are 3 switches. A, B, C are 3 switches. There are 3 switches A, B, and C to light the bulb. Switch A should be switched with switch B or C to light the bulb. Then switch A what is it? මේ දෙකෙන් එකක්. මේ දෙකෙන් එකක් එන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ ඒක මේකත් එක්ක AND වෙන්න ඕනේ. AND වෙන්න ඕනේ. Then that is what happens. Switch A on කරලා මේ දෙකෙන් එකක් මොකක් හරි on වෙලා තිබ්බොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? එකපත් වෙනවා. එහෙනම් මේ සර්කිට් එක තමයි එතන තියෙන්නේ. This is the circuit you get. එතකොට එතනදී එන්නේ A and B or C. Yes. A and B or C. A and B or C. හරිනේ? A and B or C. O එක මුලින් ගත්ත ඉඳ වරන් දුර දැන්. This is what you get. That is correct. That is correct. ඉතින් මම ඔය ක්‍රම භාවිත කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Earlier the right, let's move to number 20. Which one is included in the integrated circuit given? මොනවද මේ integrated circuit එකේ තියෙන්නේ?
4 NAND gates.
4
NAND gates.
4 NAND gates. Yes, there are 4 NAND gates in the integrated circuit. There's nothing in there. Hari lazy. සරල උත්තරයක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. There are 4 NAND gates. Right. We did up to 20. We did up to 20. Right. Then okay. වත්සරට වෙනත් ක්ලාස් එකක් තියෙනවලු. Right, okay. Right, එහෙනම් we went up to 20 and next Tuesday we have the class Tuesday in the morning 6 to 8 right. We have the class මම link එක දාන්න පරක් වුණාට අනිවාර්යෙන් ඔයාලා පන්ති පටන් ගන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා link එක දානවා. Before the class I will put the link into the group. So we have the class from 6 to 8, okay, every Tuesday we will be doing papers, right? මේ second term tests ටික ඉවර කරලා ආයි note එක අරගෙන ඊටු ටික continue කරනවා. Right? Is it okay? Right, then good night to everybody.